What's going on today? Today I traded one stock only, two trades, ftch, and why I love this. It's first red day, gap down, and I'm gonna explain exactly what I mean. And this has a high win rate and it's a low stress trade. So let's get into it. Right here, FTCH on Friday had this massive push up, went from 889 to 1025. Pulls back, and there's really no direction, but it closes pretty weak. So what I'm looking for is the next day, which is today on Monday, how the stock reacts at the open. So right away you can see this stock had a gap down. You can visually see that gap down. So that's to me is weakness. So right out the get go, this went from 949 to a high of 965. The closing price is 967. So it didn't fill that gap entirely, but it's gonna have it. What I'm betting on is this stock to have its first red day. So it went from 965 all the way down here to $9. That's a huge pullback. So here's what you got to do. You got to wait to see how the stock reacts once it has that pullback and it pushes higher. So I had an order entry at 945. Why did I pick 945? Because that was the last high candle right here. So if it gets up to this level, that's where my order's at to short the stock. If it breaks this and turns 945 into support, it's going to 967. So had an order to short. I got filled. I could have took my profits right here, 932, but I didn't. And then right here, it went from 932 all the way back up to 956. It pulls back. Now it's using that 945 as support, and it starts pushing higher. So I cut my trade at 957. And why is that? Because I know exactly where the stock's going, and I got to have the best entry to short the stock. So I cut the trade, and I got filled up here, 963, 964. Because I'm expecting the stock to have its first red day. And now you have to be patient. So that's what I mean by gap down first red day. So I'll show you on Trade Zero my trades. Okay, so you can see right here. This is my first short, 945. Covered right here at 957. I could have added to my position, but I didn't. Because there's always I would say about a 10% chance the stock's going to go against me. So I cut it because I have to be shorting at the best price. So I took a small loss on this trade because I was shorting at the best price. And then right over here, I knew exactly where the price is going. So I started shorting right where I should be shorting. And then it consolidates for a while. From right here, so from 11:30 all the way to 1:30. Damn near 2 hours, it just consolidates. And then right here, when this big crack kicked in, I knew the stock was done. Because right there, that tells me, okay, the stock's going to have its first red day. And then I covered damn near at the low, 934, and I'm shorting at the top. And then I covered 250 shares here, and then I covered another 250 shares here just in case it kicked back up to this 967. And the reason why I covered there is because look at the pattern. Now that I showed you where I got in and got out, let me show you in TD Ameritrade. I like their charts a lot better. This consolidation right here. So we had this big drop from 969 to 926, and then it retested. That's kind of what I thought I was going to do right here. So I don't want to know part of this consolidation. I don't like sideways movement, you know. I want the stock to pick a direction, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So yeah, we damn near top ticked it, and we covered at a really, really good price. So I'm really, really proud of this trade. It wasn't a big winner. Um, Let me pull up my P&L for you. Dun, 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 dun. So I only won $50, but you can see I only took 2 trades on this all day. And really, it's not about the money. It's all it separates me from $50 to $500 a share size. So more shares, more risk. I rather just be a consistent trader. You gotta master one thing, and that's all I'm trying to do is master that, being consistent at one thing, and that's short selling penny stocks. And anybody that's out there that's kind of struggling, um, it's just being patient. You have to wait for them setups, and this setup right here, I call it the first red day gap down. So it's a very, very easy, low stress trade. Um, yeah, I guess until next time, traders, you know what to do. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, leave me a comment, tell me what you traded today, and until next time.